Hello friends, today we are going to learn some fun two-letter words. Are you ready? Repeat after me. U P up. U P up. O N on. O N on. O F off. O F off. N O no. N O no. M Y my. M Y my. M E me. M E me. I T eat. I T eat. I S is. I S is. I N in. I N in. I F if. I F if. H I high. H I high. H E he. H E he. G O go. G O go. D O do. D O do. B Y buy. B Y buy. B E B. B E B. A T arts. A T arts. A S as. A S as. A M am. A M am. A N an. A N an.